I only make pork shanks like this when I want to save time and gas. Here I have a 1.5 kilo piece of orange juice pork shank. I'll also squeeze juice from a lemon, tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of rosemary, black pepper to taste. Let's massage this seasoning into our pork. Now we'll cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge to marinate for an hour. Add 2 sliced onions, 2 large tomatoes, also cut into slices. Add a little olive oil. The time has passed, our shank has marinated. Let's also add the juice that was used to marinate the meat. Let it cook for 25 minutes. Place on a platter. Now we're going to put 500 grams of potato balls in the pressure cooker. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. That's it. Now let's add the potatoes to our pork on the platter. We'll also add the cooking sauce. Now put it in the oven for 20 minutes to brown the pork shank. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.